Infinix's latest entry-level smartphone called Infinix Smart 9 HD is now official in India, with quiet premium-looking design. Now let's take a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Infinix Smart 9 HD features a tall 6.7-inch HD Plus IPS display, with up to 90 Hz refresh rate support, and it has a hole punch at the top center that carries an 8-megapixel selfie shooter with f2.0 aperture. The rear panel of the phone houses a 13-megapixel main camera with f1.85 aperture, alongside an auxiliary lens. Under the hood, the Infinix Smart 9 HD comes powered by MediaTek Helio G50 chipset, paired with PowerVR GE8320 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 3 GB of RAM that can be extended up to another 3 GB by using internal storage, and it has 64 GB of onboard storage, with microSD expansion up to 1 TB via dedicated microSD card slot. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 10 watts charging support, and it runs on Android 14 under Go Edition, based on XOS 14 Skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it has DTS sound system for better audio experience. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 165.7 by 77.1 by 8.35mm, and it weighs around 188 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Infinix Smart 9 HD has been priced in India at 6,699 Indian rupees, and it is set to go on sale starting from February 4th, in coral gold, metallic black, mint green, and neo titanium color options. So, what do you guys think of this Infinix Smart 9 HD smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.